In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an awards and certifications section to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to update. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor opens, go to the page where you want your awards and certifications to appear. This could be your home page, an About page, or a dedicated credibility page. Scroll down to the exact spot where you want to place the new section. GoDaddy will show an Add Section button between your existing sections. Click that button to continue. You will now see the available section categories. To create an awards and certifications area, look through options such as Content, Gallery, or Features. These section types usually work best because they allow you to combine images with headings and descriptions. Choose a layout that matches the style you want for your website. A clean layout with multiple image blocks is often the easiest option for showcasing logos, badges, or certificates. Once you find the layout you want, click Add to insert it onto the page. The new section will appear in your editor with placeholder content. Replace the sample images with your own award logos or certification badges. Make sure each image is clear and easy to recognize. Then update the text fields by changing the headings and descriptions for each item. You can add the name of the award or certification, the issuing organization, and a short explanation if needed. If the section includes more items than you need, remove the extras. If you need to display more awards or certifications, add additional items if the layout allows it. Keep your formatting consistent so the section looks neat and professional. After you finish editing, review the section carefully in the builder. Check that the images are aligned properly, the text is accurate, and everything fits the overall design of your site. Then click Preview to see how the section will look to visitors on your live website. This is a good time to confirm that the section looks good on both desktop and mobile views. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the awards and certifications section live on your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.